Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. During MAX 2021 Air Show, Russia has offered many things to India, which obviously looks attractive. One offering was to complete the upgrade of the MiG 29 fighter of Indian Air Force to MiG 29 UPG by 2022. The second offer, which came from Russia, is the MiG 35 multipurpose fighter for the long pending tender of 110 combat aircraft. Even though we are not clear if this deal would be resumed in a staggered manner or not, this offer is still fresh from Russia. Third offer, which I wanted to highlight, is about the offering of their Ilyushin IL-112V light military transport aircraft. These aircrafts would help Indian Air Force to perform various tasks which are currently being performed by Hawker Siddeley HS-748. To be specific about the roles which these IL-112V light military transport aircraft can perform are the transportation of cargoes, vehicles, machinery, ammunition, and even manpower. These aircrafts can also be employed for airdropping of paratroopers, material, and military equipment, as well as medical evacuation of wounded stretchers. The Indian Air Force has a total fleet of over 50 Avro 748 aircrafts which needs to be replaced. Even though the Defence Acquisition Council had cleared the induction of 56 Airbus C-295 for Indian Air Force and 6 of them for the Indian Coast Guard, the deal never made progress due to budgetary issues. The overall deal was said to be around $3.15 billion US. The IL-112V light military transport plane is an export variant of IL-112V aircraft which is developed for Russia's Air Force. These aircrafts are installed with modern avionics suite and an improved glass cockpit with efficient loading and unloading devices. These aircrafts are powered using two Klimov TV707ST turboprop engines with 3,500 horsepower each. And these engines are designed and produced by United Engine Corporation. Not only that, these engines are distinguished by their modularity and efficient fuel consumption, having some of the best parameters within its class. If we see the general characteristics, the length of this aircraft is 24.15 meters, height is 8.89 meters, and it has a wingspan of 27.6 meters. The maximum takeoff weight stands at 21,000 kilograms with a capacity of 5,000 kilograms or 44 passengers. The service ceiling of this aircraft stands at 7,600 meters and it has a range of 2,400 kilometers. The cruise speed of this aircraft is said to be between 450 km to 500 km per hour. Another highlight and key advantage of IL-112V fighter is the possibility to operate on unpaved runways. The plane can be used in very difficult conditions such as high altitude airfields and extremely low temperatures. These are the vital parameters for Indian Air Force, so these aircraft would be a good choice in my opinion. Even if Indian Air Force consider these IL-112V for the replacement of HS-748 aircrafts, they can also consider it for replacing the fleet of 100 plus Antonov AN-32 transport aircraft as well. So let's see if Indian Air Force accepts the offer from Russia for any of the fleets, whether it's HS-748 aircraft or the Antonov AN-32 replacement. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.